Hello children, welcome to Mathematics Content Library for grade 9. Today we are going to revise the chapter Surface Area and Volume through its mind map. In this chapter, we studied about the 6 three-dimensional solid objects: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Now we will discuss the surface areas and volumes of each solid objects one by one. The first three-dimensional object is cuboid. It has the length, breadth and height. The curved surface area of the cuboid has 4 faces and total surface area includes the remaining 2 faces. So totally there are 6 faces and each face looks like a rectangle. So the curved surface area of a cuboid is given by the formula 2 into L plus B into H, and total surface area of cuboid is given by 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and volume of the cuboid is LBH. Next, cube. Cube is a cuboid in which all the sides are equal, that is length, breadth and height all are equal to each other. So instead of separating them as LBH, we represent by taking the letter A, that is A is side of the cube. So the curved surface area of cube is given by 4A square and total surface area is 6A square, and the volume is given by A cube. The next one is cylinder. Cylinder is obtained when a rectangle is rolled over its length or breadth. Therefore, the height is the length or breadth of the rectangle, and the circle of the cylinder, that is the base of the cylinder which is in the circular form, is the length or the breadth. Therefore, the curved surface area is given by the formula 2 pi RH, whereas the total surface area includes the two circles. So, the total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, and the volume is given by pi r square h. The next one is cone. We are studying about only the right circular cone. The curved surface area is given by the formula pi RL, and the total surface area is given by pi r into r plus L. This includes the area of the bottom circular base. That's why the one more pi r square is added up and the formula becomes pi r into r plus L. And the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, because we have already discussed that the cylinder which has the same circular base and the height as that of the cone, that takes 3 times that of the cone. So the volume of cone is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. The next is sphere. It is a three-dimensional object in which it has no sides. It is a complete ball-like structure and it doesn't has the two surface area like the other objects CSA and TSA. It has only one surface area and it is mentioned by the formula 4 pi r square. because we have already studied that when a rope or the thread is rolled over this sphere and it is extended to make it in the form of circle, that makes the four equal circles. That's why surface area of the sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square, and the volume of the sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. The next is hemisphere, and hemisphere is half part of the sphere. So here we have the separate surface area like CSA and TSA, because hemisphere that has one circular top. That's why the curved surface area is only the curved part of the sphere, which is exactly half of the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, so half of it. So we get CSA is equal to 2 pi r square, whereas the total surface area is including this area of the circle. So totally it becomes 3 pi r square. And the volume of the hemisphere is given by the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. These are the 6 solid objects that we discussed in surface area and volume. Now let us discuss one solved example. If the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, then find the radius and volume. Solution: CSA of cylinder is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. The height h is equal to 5 centimeter. Then to find the radius of the base, we use the formula CSA, that is 2 pi r h is equal to 94.2. So on solving this, we get the radius of the circular base is equal to 3 centimeter. Next, to find the volume of the cylinder, we use the formula pi r square h, and substituting the values of pi, r and h and simplifying, we get the volume of cylinder as 141.3 centimeter cube. That's all about the surface area and volume. I hope this revision through mind map helped you to recall all the formulas of the solid objects, and it helps you to understand in a better way. Thank you, children.